Hey, welcome back. This episode, we're going to assemble a hoop house and talk a little bit about it. Really appreciate you watching the videos, and I hope you enjoy them. So here we go. Let's get this video going. We interrupt this broadcast with a live update. Okay, I'm live here on location with an update. The fake snakes seem to be doing their job. Haven't seen any other snakes around. Back to you on the video, Jeff. All right, so there it is, the Yita home hoop house. It's kind of cheap, kind of cheesy. We'll see how it works. I just want airflow. It's not bad in here right now. It's supposed to be heavy duty. We'll see. I mean, West Texas wind and this sun, I give it a year maybe. But hopefully I could do something after the fact, cover it with some kind of shade cloth or something, but not bad altogether. These ties broke when I pulled one tight. They won't last. This ain't too bad, the Velcro. We'll see. I plan on putting a little fence on each end of this to keep the animals out for now. I'm doing raised beds in here, and should work as long as the rats can't get to them, because, I mean, looky, they're all around the place, you know. They got little networks, you know, under these bushes. You're walking and you fall into one of their little cavities all the time. So we'll see how it is. There's nothing you could do about that, really. I have to try to make some raised beds that they can't jump up onto. But I don't know. Kangaroo rats can jump, I'm sure, because they got them legs. So we'll see. Anyhow, there you have it. The attempt here is to try to grow in the summer. And we open up all the vents just to get max airflow. And we'll just see, you know. We'll see what happens. Everything out here is a trial run, basically. Try to make it work. Anyhow, thanks for watching.